Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh nyak shimash. So what are we here doing today? We are doing a gadget-ish kind of review. And this is a put it together yourself lampshade. Or lampshades, because I have two. Now, I had one similar to this that I bought a couple of years ago. This one is the Lotus flower, and the other one was just some sort of like other flower. And it's in the guest room, or one of the guest rooms, and I thought it was really, really nice. It looked stunning. So I decided to buy another one. This one is the Lotus flower, and so there are two lampshades. So you basically have to put this together yourself, and I cannot find any instructions with this at all. Great. So those are the different, that's the top part that holds onto the light shade, onto the rose, and then these are the different Lotus flower size leaves. But there are no instructions. So I guess these are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. This is number, yeah, there's a lot of the number 4s. Okay, so you put the 4s in twice. And then there's this. So I assume that goes into there. That goes into there. And then that goes into... Should I do that one first and then that one? And then that one. And then I assume these close up on this. This is completely new to me. And not been any instructions. That's wonderful. I assume these clip in like this. That doesn't look right. Does it clip in like that? That seems better. I can't believe there's no instructions with this. That's so stupid. Probably going to end up looking like a bloody lotus weed. Let's try clipping it in. Come on. There's one. No, that's not right. This is kind of made of some sort of like plastic. Instructions whatsoever. I remember the other one I had, that did have instructions with it. Didn't pay much for these. I think these were literally like £6 each. Probably if I'd have paid £7, I'd have had instructions. It seems to be right. Okay, so I think that doesn't look right, does it? That doesn't look right. That doesn't look right. Let's undo these. Because if that goes around there, doesn't go around there. What? Now I can be the handmaiden. I can be the handmaiden's tale now. Look at that. I can be off door. Okay, hang on a second. I'm gonna have to go and have a little look on my iPad and see if I can find something on it. So I happened to catch a picture here of some form of instructions on it. And you can have the flowers going in two ways. You can either have the big ones at the bottom with the flower going up, or you can have it to the flowers going down. I like it with the flower going down. So those instructions aren't very good, but I think we will start with it so it's bigger at the top going down to the smaller. So these are very, very fragile. This plastic is very fragile. So these should be, yes, easier to go in. So I'm just going to gently just give the edges a little bit of a pull like that. I doubt very much you'd be able to wash these after you put it up. Well, that doesn't look very... there's a gap there, but perhaps... Does it go in two? That's better. Ah, some of the crap I buy, I tell you. But they do look pretty when they're up, I have to say. That one, that looks better. So you put 2 in each hole by the looks of it. Okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. Now it's going to start looking like a lotus flower and not like off door. And then we put that one in there and that one in there. In the picture there's a restaurant. There's a picture of a restaurant with them in. I don't know if you can see that. And there's like lots of them. I feel sorry for the poor bugger who had to put them all together. Okay, so we've done the top layer. So I assume now we can move on. And number 5, which is these ones. These flowers a little little bit of a clip in. Come on, you little shit. 2. God, I better be careful with these. I think one fart and they'll blow away. I got 2 ceiling pendants in there in the bedroom. Well, there's actually 3 if you include the dressing room, but I'm not going to change that one. Okay, I think it'll look nice. I got a nice warm, I got LED bulbs in there, nice warm white ones, so they should look nice. As long as you don't go up too close to it and have a look. So there's 2 rows of number 4, right, okay. There we go. Right, so we've got the first 2 rows in. Right, I think I'll put you on fast forward by the time I get the rest up. That is the first one completed, all put together. You can see that they just clip in, but they do look, see, because you can either have them upright, oops, you can either have them upright or you can have them down. So I thought they'd look quite nice going down. They're quite pretty. They look really they look really naff, but from a distance they don't actually look that bad. So we will see when I put them up onto the ceiling. So okay, so that is one of them done. I'm going to leave it here upside down. I'm going to do the next one. So I'm going to put the whole thing together in fast forward for you guys, because you don't want to get bored again, so you can see what I'm doing. This is the last piece, so what you're supposed to do is just give them a little bit of a flexible twist, clip it in, and clip it in. Ta-da! Done. 2 lotus flower. Look very pretty. I think, to be honest, no, I prefer them down. I prefer them so they're looking down. You won't see them from a distance anyway, they should be alright. Right, okay, let's get these lotus flowers upstairs and fitted into the bedroom. Okay, so we are here in the bedroom. I have got the light fittings. Very easy to put in. Plenty of room to get your hand in there. Just oh, you little shit. Hang on. Hang on, I'm having difficulty. One of the Lotus leaves fell out. Right. Okay. Houston, we have a problem. Let me put you here. When I put this hole is bigger than the clip. So this is not going to fit on. I think I might have some of those kind of little adapter things. Let me go and have a look. So that's something to be wary of. The standard ones here in the ceiling, these are too small. Right, let me go get an adapter. Okay, so I've had to do a bit of a Blue Peter thing, and I've used 2 strips of gaffer tape to make the hole smaller so that I can fit it to this. Okay. There's one. That's a bit wonky. Why is that wonky? That's okay, let's put the bulb in. Okay. That's one fitted, let's try it. There we go. So that's one. Let me go and fit the other one to that side of the room. Okay, so there we go. Fitted and in. And I think they look really nice. Alexa, turn off bedroom. There we go. I like the light they give. It's really hard to see from here, to be honest. Hang on. But I really like them. They're really nice. The lighting is rubbish. Hang on. There we go. Doesn't do them justice at all, but they are really nice. If you go up close and really inspect them closely, then you're going to look and see all the faults and flaws. But from a distance, they look really smart. See if it makes a difference if I step away from the room. Yeah, kind of. I like them. Nice and bright. Just a nice warm light. Yeah. Okay, let's get back downstairs. Now I assume there's going to be a maximum wattage with this. I'm just looking at the description here. See what it says. Pendantshire DIY, Lotus light, living room, 50 centimeters, different colors, PP plastic. Water can be cleaned, so they can be cleaned apparently, but I don't think they'd last very long. pendant lights, plastic, Art Deco, 50 centimeters across, 48 leaves. Dimensions 50-50 by 30. I think they do bigger ones. From China. They talk about 10 days. Nothing about recommendations on light. I wouldn't be happy using this with a standard filament bulb. And if it was, I'd only use like a 40 watt or whatever. But you have to take into consideration that there is no adapter with it to make it fit smaller holes. That was quite big. I had to sort of like do a bit of a DIY thing on it, a bit of a Blue Peter to make them stay up, but it did work. So just take that into consideration. It might not fit onto your pendant because it was just a bit too big. But anyway, but they do look nice. I'm looking here for prices, how much I paid for them. I bought two, and there you are. They were £6.64 each. So that's not mega bucks. Even if they only last a couple of years, I'll put them in the recycling and get them recycled. But they do lots of different ones, and I know that they do different sizes as well. These are 50 centimeter ones, but I think they do giant ones. Retro puzzle lamp. You have a look on eBay. There's loads of sellers that sell them. There's loads of them. These ones are £7.29. I can see here. £7.39, £8.99. Yeah. Take a look. They are fun. They are quite nice. Like I said, they come in different colours. There's a purple, there's a blue, there's a yellow, and a white. I went for the white, obviously. Otherwise, it would make my bedroom look like a bit of a bordello. But each to their own. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Just a fun little something different for you guys. So they do look nice and I can recommend them. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.